What's up guys, this is Rash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Rash to Me. I'm back with another tutorial, and before that I really want to thank Parkoo for sending me acrylic markers to test on my tutorial. So I got this acrylic pen set from Parkoo which has 12 colors, and I got another set of markers, paint pens, which has 20 colors. So yeah, it's written that we can use this on different surfaces like paper, rocks, mugs, canvas, glass, ceramic, plastic, fabric, wood, metal, blah 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 blah, whatever you name. I think we can use it on everything. So I think the cover and everything looks decent, and I'm excited to open this marker and test on my drawing tutorial. So as this is the acrylic paint pens, I thought I will be using different medium to test this pen. I will be doing a stone painting, and I thought I will be doing a canvas painting using these markers. Third medium I'm thinking to do the glass painting. I have few mugs in my house which I can use it for glass painting, so you can also use the same medium and start drawing with me. Recently I've been to Petoskey, which is in Traverse City, Michigan, and I got some Petoskey stones from there. So I think I will be using this paint pens, acrylic paint pens, and to do the stone painting. So you can also grab some stone. It's not necessary that you should also have the Petoskey stones. Whatever stones is there out of your house, you can quickly go and grab it. And the mugs, obviously everyone would have mugs or cups or any glasses, whatever available in your house, you can use that for drawing. And so let's get started. But before this guys, whoever new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and comment. Also share with your friends, relatives, or whoever who is interested in drawing. Also the art supplies, whatever I'm using for my art channel, for my drawing tutorial, is mentioned in the description box. I mean, all the links are mentioned in the description box. Also the link for this Parkoo acrylic pens of 20 and 12 colors is available in the description box. You can grab this quickly on Amazon. The links is given below. So let's get started and let's see how this acrylic markers paint pens are. Let's open this set and check how these pens are. I will first open the 20 color set and let's see how it is. Just shake it first and then pump it, and there the color comes. Alright, so let's move ahead and start the tutorials. I thought to make a fairy mushroom house on this stone. That's the reason I have taken a triangular shaped stone, but you guys can take any kind of stone, whatever the shape you want. Just make sure that you're using anything that has curve at top. And I'm using white acrylic paint on this stone. And once you painted the white colors, let's keep aside to let it dry. I'm just using pencil to make lines, which will make our work more easy. That's how a mushroom will look like. And there it goes, the rounded door, cause I like that way. You can make square or whatever the shape you want for your fairy door. There goes the window. Almost everything is ready. Now let's start with the acrylic pen. Now I'm choosing red color You can choose whatever color you want. First I thought to go with blue as it's my favorite color, but I'm gonna use blue for canvas painting. So I thought I will use red here instead of blue. You can choose any color you want cause it's your own fairy house. I'm using dark blue color for my door and light blue color in between, and let's blend it. If you think I'm too fast, then you can pause and play the video, or you can adjust the speed in setting to match yours. Remember that we will keep painting together. I'm gonna use brown here. You can use any light color you want. I thought brown will look perfect. It's like a shading of the mushroom house here. Let's do another coat of red while the first one is dried out completely. I'm just using my phone holder to give me a nice support while I'm painting my stone. Let's outline everything with black color. That way it will give us the picture of how the mushroom will look like. Everything we can outline. You can use a different color if you want some dark shade, and if you don't want to use black, it's your choice. You can use any dark shade you want to outline everything. I'm making a small bulb here, which is yellow light. Let's add some details to the mushroom. I'm using white color. Now let's draw grass. I'm using dark green and light green here to make some grass. It gives some definition to grass. I'm just wisping on a couple of green lines, and it might not look vine, but once we draw a cute little flowers on it, it will definitely look more beautiful. Now let's add cute flowers on it. I'm using my nail art tool here, but you can use anything like pins, pens, bobby pins, or anything. Let's be creative, guys. Almost our mushroom fairy house is ready. It's just time for us to give some more details to it. So I'm gonna make small pink flowers on top of this grass, which will add more definition to it. So I'm just putting like 5 dots of flowers. You can make whatever flowers you want on it. Let's make some yellow flowers at window. That way it will look more beautiful. And let's outline the bulb. Back on mushroom cap, let's make small dots here. No need to make it perfect circle, but just try to keep it round, and it should look little faded. Once everything is done, I'm just putting a little layer of glitter on my door. That way it looks shiny and beautiful. The same I'm gonna use on mushroom cap. I like it only on door and cap, but it's your call. If you want it all over, you can put the glitter all over your fairy house. It's our fairy house completed. Isn't it so cute, perfect, and beautiful? I really love it. I hope you also like your fairy house. Now let's start with the second drawing, which is canvas drawing. I'm just using the pencil to make few lines before we start drawing here. This is gonna be a trippy painting, so I'm usually going to use all the dark colors here. That's usually all the trippy paintings are. Starting with the yellow, let's make it yellow, and after the yellow I have used blue color here. Usually blue I'm using because I'm gonna make it look like an earth. Let's use red as her lipstick color. I'm using blue color here, a dark blue color for her skin texture. That's how it will give a nice dark effect for my Trippy painting, and it really goes well with the red color. So you can use any other color you want, like dark purple, or if you want to mismatch blue and red, you can do whatever color you like it. I'm gonna use black color for her hair. That way the painting will be more vibrant, as I have used red and blue. So black goes very well with the dark colors, and it kind of gives more reflection and make my painting more dark because of black. If you all think I'm going too fast, remember there is an option in setting. You can adjust the speed according to yours, or you can pause and play video and cope up with my speed. The painting is almost done. Isn't it very simple and it's looking beautiful? Let's make some more details to it. I'm gonna outline the lips and gonna give some more details by using black color. That way the painting will look perfect. Those who are new to my channel, please guys don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss the notification of my next drawing. Also, please give me a like and comment if you like my work. Share with your friends or anyone who loves drawing and who really wants to learn drawing. Really, thanks for watching my video and I appreciate your time. But watch this video till the end, because we still have one more painting to do, which is glass painting. So yeah, keep watching. Let's add more details by using white color. After adding details with the black, I think white will give more detail and more effect to this painting to look more perfect. Now let's make some smoky effect, like the smoke is flowing on her face. It's kind of a wave of that smoke which is flowing all over it. I'm just making a small dots all over her hair. So that's how our painting looks like. It's, I think, simple, perfect, easy. I hope you also enjoyed drawing with me, or you enjoyed watching my drawing. So I really overall love this painting. It's really cool, trippy painting. Now let's start drawing on the cup. That's what we are doing now, the glass painting. I'm gonna make design on my cup. So for that, just I have taken a black acrylic pen and I'm just outlining the house, making few balloons. You can make any design, whatever you want, but it just came in my mind and I thought I will just make something like this, a house, and the balloon is coming out of it. Once the outline is done, you can fill whatever color you want. So I'm just randomly picking out the colors and trying to make it look more colorful. So just taking blue, red, all the colors available. I'm just making use of all the colors in it. I would like to see your design or your painting, whatever you made, like a glass painting if you have done, or the canvas painting, or maybe the stone painting you have tried watching my tutorial. Then don't forget to tag me and don't forget to send me a message. You can reach me out on Instagram, Facebook, or you can DM me here. The links of that is available in my description box. So yeah, I would be happy if I see your message on my Instagram. Would really be happy to see that. I'm just making a small little flowers as I thought the back of the cup is empty. So after the house, I just thought to make a cute flowers, a simple flowers to just fill my cup. Alright, here's my cup is ready, my glass painting is ready. Pretty much the colors and everything are decent, awesome and vibrant. It looks nice. It is not dull, I would say. Overall, I really like the color of the glass, how it came. So you can see how it is. Beautiful, right? Now let's jump quickly on the another drawing tutorial. So I have done almost the stone painting, canvas painting and the transparent cup painting. I have 2 more cups with me. Just thought why not to try those colors on those 2 cups also. That way we will get the idea how the colors actually look on the transparent cup, the dark black cup and the gray color. Let's make some trees, a starry night and a tent or a house and a campfire. This is my favorite painting and I love this type of painting. So like the cup is complete black, why not to use the colors which is white, gray and silver available in this. That way it gives more beautiful effect for my starry night. Yeah, let's see how it is. It is turning beautiful, I can see. I hope you like it. Wow, I really like the effect of this acrylic pens on the cup. It is really looking so beautiful, bright and nice. I really love those colors. I hope you too. If you really like those colors, then check the link on my description box and it's affordable markers. Now let's quickly jump on to the last tutorial of the day. I'm gonna do some calligraphy on my gray cup with the black pen. Let's make it simple and it looks good. I love the small quotes, beautiful quotes. I love to do calligraphy. That's what I thought, why not to do it on this cup? That way it will look awesome. And it's ready. So I really love it. The shades, the effects, my calligraphy is perfect. It's awesome. And I love the quote which I chose to write on the cup. It looks awesome. Well, that's it guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching all my video. And if you really like it, then please support me with your like, comment and share. Also subscribe to my channel if you are new. I really love the outcome of the stone painting. I really love it. Out of all, I mean, the pens are amazing. They are really cool and nice, no doubt about it. But among all the glass painting, the canvas painting and stone painting, I really love this tiny thing. Isn't it so cute? I really love it and I'm not going to sell it. I am going to keep this for myself only. I really love the canvas painting also. So yeah, this is even cool. I like it. So if you really like the acrylic marker pens from Parkoo, don't forget to check the description box. The link is mentioned over there. So alright guys, that's it. See you in my next video. Till the time, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.